So now let's see how we can add in a blank page inside of the Wix ADI page that we have and then work with it. So to add in a blank page, what you have to do is you have to go over here onto the add section right over here, and then you can choose page right over there. And once you choose that, you can see that you'll be able to choose from different recommended layouts right over here. So you can choose an entirely blank slide or choose from one of these options right over here. So let me just select contact right over here, and you'll be able to select from one of these presets right over here. So I'm just going to click on add this to page, and then it'll be creating a new contact page for us to work with, just like that. So you can see, so here it says congrats, and then the contact page has been added in. So that's one way to add in page. The other way is to go on to the page menu right over here, and then by clicking add page right over here, where you can select other page again. The process is similar, so I'm just going to select something like skills right over here and select out the template that I want to work with, and then just click that out. So once I do that, you can see that the skill page is here as well. So you can see that the page menu has been arranged accordingly to the page order right here. So if you want to change that out, you can go to edit menu section and then just click and drag around. Let's say, for example, I want contact at the end. So contact is at the middle right now, but if I were to click and drag it out over here at the end, you can see that the contact is at the end. I can drag out the fact right over here, and then the fact is before the contact right over here, as you can see. So that is how you can rearrange the pages out inside of Wix ADI. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.